What's up? I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are going to start means like this is new session. Actually, some of people were asking those who are newcomers, especially that how to read now newspaper. So mainly for them, make one video. I'm making this video just for the newcomers who don't know how to read newspaper. So for reading newspaper, this is today's newspaper, that August 12, 2021. Remember one thing, that you should thoroughly with you should remember each and every point of your syllabus, even mains and also prelim is also. But in prelim there is no such a stratified syllabus. It is just like a rough classification. But in mains there is clear cut syllabus. So if you know your main syllabus clear, what is in your UPSC main syllabus, so what is in GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, then only you will able to identify the news, and you will able to read the news, and you will able to use that news for exam purpose also. Just like if you are just reading this news and again and again making notes without any intention to know how to use them, where to use them, and making notes this news is uh, notes should be like within like few limits. Like it should not be like so too big notes for a small news. It should not happen. And notes also should be with respect to syllabus point only. So first I will tell you like how to read newspaper. So there, first we start from the newspaper, that talks back channel talk was on before the Balakot. So we know Balakot strike and everything. So as such, this is not means like you can't use this news as such in like any means, or there will not be any question on like prelim anything like that. But yeah, you can use like just in international relation. So in international relation we have, I will show you like in like wait see, this is our GS second. This is general studies second. We have governance, constitution, polity, and international relations. So in international, so in international relation, I think you people can see that important institution. And see this, India and Indian neighborhood relations. So here is neighborhood means like here comes Pakistan also. So you can got, you I think you got this like means how you can use this news. Like it is about just India Pakistan relationship, means even though their talks means like their relationship were strained, but yet there was back channel was always working. Like it, some type of like soft diplomacy or anything you can say. So in this type you can use this news, but as such this news is not that much important. Like they have given like here whatever that happened or anything. But that like, and it was also revolution by any newspaper, I think somewhat like agency, they have revealed it, means like they, this news have any such like legal backing or anything. So you can just read it, but that it's not that much important. So this news, see, like a missing Himachal landslip or landslide. So as such, you will not get anything here. But for like, yeah, from prelim perspective, this news is important. So here you should know like that Himalaya, Himalaya nowadays there are so many cases of landslide in Himalaya. So you should know what is meant by landslide, and how, why it is common in Himalayan region and also in western region also. But now, earlier what used to happen, it was more common in western Himalayan region, but now it is increasing tendency in western region also. So in UPSC they can ask you in question for mains like why, like nowadays there is increasing frequency of the landslide in western region. Earlier it was common in Himalaya, but now western region also, in Himalaya region also it is common. So this news you should be able to link to your main syllabus. So like this is like part of landslide. So we will see that where it comes from your syllabus. See, let's see, I will show you. So your GS1 syllabus, like GS1 there is a you have syllabus like silent with society, post independence. See, from here, yeah, silent feature of world geography. So here your world geography starts. So it is about like landslide. So landslide means like one type of like important geophysical phenomena. like they have given like earthquake, tsunami, volcanic activity, cyclone, but etc means like their landslide also can come there. So it should be important. So with this perspective you should remember this news. So next is like this is like Modi statement, like India's INC should increase its appetite for the risk. So it is just like promoting the brand India. So you should means like news is not that much as is important, but you should know like why India's export. So why India is lacking behind the export, and what is status of the export in India as now. What step can we take for means or exporting the it's like more commodity outside, so we will get a foreign exchange like that. So in this perspective this is one of the initiative. And then next is like Kaziranga guards get the satellite phone. So from prelim perspective, this is news is important for prelims. Like you should know what is Kaziranga. So it is national park, then World Heritage Site, all these. So you should know like what are the criteria for declaring national park and what these, who declare, whether state declares, center declare, or both the declares national park. These things you should know. But remember this, like with respect to this is important from environmental prelim perspective. And other news like see like busy that BJD demand caste based census, all this na. Yeah, it's important, but just like you should know like what is meant by caste based census, all this. But this is like political news mainly. Then this is also political news, not necessary for your prelims perspective. And this is city news. They are of remember local news. So they can be used as a case study or example. But if they are only important, not such like there is like government school to get world class education like that. So it is like just debate. So private versus government, like there is always debate na, like which one is better like that. So this is about related news about this, but as such you can't use this news in mains. But yeah, you can use in like from education perspective in mains, like how to improve education, all this na. In there is in paper second of the our GS syllabus, there is important topic education and health. So here you can use, like I will show you um, paper second. In paper second there is like appointment and yeah, there is this is education and human resource. So for this news is important. So remember, you should able to connect every news with your syllabus, then only you will get importance of this news. Unless that you are just reading without even knowing that how you will use and where will you use, it's useless to just read newspaper without any intention to use. Remember, if you are not if you are not able to use any news for your exam purpose, it's useless to use that news or use it's useless to read that news. So always remember, be selfish. Be selfish with respect to your reading. Always try to be extract whatever the you are reading for your own purpose. Whatever you are reading now, always keep in mind that yeah, I'm going to use this thing, this thing, this part of the exam, this point, this always this should come to your back of mind that कि हाँ मैं ये न्यूज़ कहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकता हूँ और ये अलग है यहाँ पे, ये कैसे यूज़ करूँ वैसे भी। तो आपको हर एक न्यूज़ के बारे में पता होना चाहिए कि आपको वो न्यूज़ कहाँ पे यूज़ करना है। Then the former BJP leader, all these are like useless news. Then earmark more space for the children, thing is there. So like this there are no important news like so much. You can see that these are all political news related with politics, just like with politics only. Now there is nothing is important here also. And yeah, now this come up our editorial page. So in editorial page also, always remember, I always told you, read that newspaper which is relevant with your exam. So safe at the school. So students should be able to return to campus without fear if protocols are strict. So as such, this is news is useless for prelim also and mains also. You can't use anything anywhere. So don't care about such news. Here a healthy white paper beginning. So this is something which is happening first time, that Tamil Nadu have released that analysis of financial situation, like how is this state is going, all this. So here should you know that state revenue how it is comes like from like receipt part to the expenditure part, and how is like financial relation between center and state, why state center and state, why state are facing problems. Then so on this basis of this you can able to learn this news, and you will able to use this news whenever there will be question on the like financial decentralization. There is a concept of financial decentralization also, and a financial relation between center and state also I will show you. So where is that news comes from, like remember this is GS paper second, and there is a see devolution of power finances to local bodies also there, and there is another mm, topic that structure department judiciary welfare scheme, yeah, challenges pertaining to this federal structure. So challenges pertaining to the federal structure. So you should know like federal structure means like between center and state, whatever the relationships is. So this with regard to this how like center state and now relations are changing, and how it is affecting the financial situation of the states also. So with respect you can able to use this news. This is also it not such important, like you can't use in your exam anywhere. Then yeah, this is like yeah, this is urban job safety net. So like we in syllabus like employment, like this topic in syllabus we have separate topic for employment. So there you can use this, like how can you generate the employment, I will show you in syllabus where it comes from. Like see in GS paper 3 there is syllabus C, there is a syllabus for separate employment. So there comes that similar you can use this news there. This is also like you can use this like Odisha part in India for case success. So you can use as a case study like how to promote the sport, all these. If there is any question with respect to ethics or like in essay also, but in mains like on sport they are very rarely they are asking question on, like so you can't use that news anywhere. Then again there is no any important note. Yes, here the like Lok Sabha urgent 2 days ahead of schedule sees 22% productivity. So it there is like we have a topic like parliament and all this now. So parliamentary productivity it is always in news. So you should know like how parliament function, why it is productivity decreasing, what steps we can take to increase its productivity, all this like from mains perspective it is very important this data like 22% productivity. So whenever there is like if in mains question, if there is question in mains like why parliamentary productivity decreasing year by year and what steps we can take, like that. So your introduction should like start with like yeah, like recent monsoon session the productivity parliament saw the productivity was just 22% of productivity. So with this if you introduce so examiner get idea, yeah you got like you got whatever the demand of the answer na, you started with it. Then you can next define like what is meant by parliamentary productivity, all these. Next why it is happening, then what are the challenges and what steps you can take, like that. With this perspective you have to go. Then parliament passes bill on the OBC list, like that. So here it is important from like prelim perspective, like which bill number, like 27 amendment bill and which act, like that. So remember such things what happened earlier with 102 amendment who was deciding OBC, now what happened, like that. Small things are there, but as such there can't be anything question on like mains, but in prelim perspective you can remember small things like that only. Then there is like yeah, that we have seen that brand India strong, it is just to like promote the India's export at the international level, all this. Then next is like from economic page now, sorry international page, yeah. Now Taliban could take over the Kabul in 19 days, US intelligence. So you should know like if they have mentioned any important cities here like from Taliban, if they have mentioned like Kabul, that is capital, or all other cities if they have mentioned here, um, like not getting here whether they have mentioned but yeah, एक they Mazare Sharif, like this city is like that. So you should, what you should do, take your atlas and find this city's location, because in UPSC in geography they can ask in prelim your city location or location of cities, where that located, from which area it comes, like this is from geography or prelim perspective. Then second, from mains perspective, like Taliban is taking over like Afghanistan, so what will be its impact on India's Afghanistan relationship, India's investment in Afghanistan, or India's, like whatever the Kashmir issue, what will be its impact, or India's security issue, like terrorism, all these. With respect, one news you should be able to connect with lot of things, so only that this news become useful for you. Then Biden hosts the democracy summit, so you should know like what is mean by democracy summit. This is second summit, so where was earlier summit, what where is now second summit is going to happen. So in prelim they can ask such questions. Then next is this from nothing is important from then there is like two topics are government to completely exist, erstwhile public sector undertakings. So somewhat government is selling their shares. So when government shares sells, it is called as a disinvestment. So it is one type of like mobilizing resources for the government. And same is news here, that government is going to pre-up the untapped space in sales, means like they are going to sell. So it is same like mobilizing resources, means they are whatever the resources government have, they are going to use them if effectively. So you will this is not like from prelim perspective you should know like what is meaning by disinvestment, what is mean by sales, by which act they have created sales and all these. Then like that only. Then you should be able to connect this news, like what it means in our syllabus, where is there is point of mobilization of resources. See, this is general paper second third, and there is topic we have mobilization of resources, means like how government can mobilize their resources, so increase their revenue. So revenue, that is mobilizing resources means increasing revenue, or effectively controlling their resources for better growth. So if there is disinvestment, it will bring more money for government, so they can expand on the social infrastructure, better in other infrastructure creation, so there will be better employment, job creation, all these. On if there is growth, employment, all this, now it ultimately again will increase the revenue of government, because people will pay direct tax, and if there is companies, all this growth, they will pay indirect tax, all this. So this vicious cycle goes on. So with this we have, I think this is last page. Yeah, the sport, you don't need to read anything from the sport. So आपको पता चला गया होगा कि अभी तक कि आपको क्या क्या पढ़ना है. तो शुरू से मैं फिर से रिवाइज करता हूँ आपको एक बार. याद रखिए, जो भी न्यूज़ अपने एग्ज़ाम के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है वही पढ़िए. जिस जो न्यूज़ आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते उसको पढ़ना बेकार का काम है. और किसी भी न्यूज़ को अगर आपने देखा एक बार, तो याद करें कि अपने सिलेबस में कहाँ फिट होता है. हम यहाँ इसको कहाँ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, या प्रीलिम में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, मेंस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, क्या किसी लाइक केस स्टडी में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और क्या ऐसे में एग्जाम्पल एज यूज़ कर सकते हैं, या इथिक्स में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ऐसे ऑलवेज. और आपके बैक ऑफ माइंड में ऑलवेज कोई भी, अगर आप इवन आप रास्ते पे जा रहे, आपने कोई एक सीन देख लिया, तो या मैं इसको कहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकता हूँ, क्या मैं इसको ऐसे कि इंट्रोडक्शन में यूज़ कर सकता हूँ, कहाँ पे कोई अगर कोई इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग देखी हो, तो ऑलवेज अपने बैक ऑफ माइंड ऑलवेज देखते चले जाओ कि मैं न्यूज़ को कहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकता हूँ. और यही फंडा है कि न्यूज़पेपर कैसे पढ़े. विदाउट नोइंग दैट हाउ, like how this news is going to help you, it is useless to use read newspaper. So always remember, read newspaper with intention to use it somewhere. That is always fun of reading newspaper. And yeah, this was all from my side. If you have any query, you can ask me. And again, share with your friends also, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.